Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create sub-albums in Google Photos. So, you cannot create some sub-albums because Google Photos doesn't support this feature. Anyway, you can create separate albums, and you can also move some picture from one album to another. So, open Google Photos, go to Collections, Albums, and to create a new album, click at the plus. You can also click at the plus in the main Photos feed, but then you need to go to Collections and Albums to find this album. And if you use main Photos feed, you click at the plus and then album here. Then add title. Let's call something like this, and then you can upload some photos and add them. Now, if you want to move for photos and videos from one album to another, you need to select this album. Let's say I wanna move these photos. So now click at the three dots, and you need to click select photos. Then click at the plus at the top, and right here scroll down. We have all albums. So let's say I wanna add to this new album. I click on it, and now I have these two photos here in this album. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.